Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how very easily you can fix the auto activation by Do Not Disturb mode on any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write your friends your comments. And let us with you friends, let's get started. I'll show you everything step by step. Okay. If you have an automatic Do Not Disturb mode, which is usually turned on in the evening and off in the morning, you can't get any text messages, messenger messages, and so on. And if you are not satisfied with it, you would like to disable this feature, it is very easy to do it. First of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll through them a little bit. Select the focus option. Then in Focus, select the Do Not Disturb option. Scroll down a little bit, and then you'll need to click on this timeline. And it'll take you to these settings for the Do Not Disturb option. And if you'd like to turn it off completely right away, you just need to click on this button here. So, friends, Do Not Disturb mode will not be enabled. But if, let's say, on some days you would still like to use this mode, then it is very easy to customize it. For example, you can adjust the time at which this mode turns on and also at which this mode turns off. Also, folks, you can choose the days on which you would like to enable this mode, for example, only on weekdays or only on weekends. Friends, here is such a very simple method you can quickly and easily fix the auto turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put likes under the video and write comments. Take care.